Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming scope and getting permission. You must not invade someone else's privacy. Once you have authorization, sign into the same browser account the person used, because incognito doesn't save local history but cloud services may. Make sure browser sync and web activity logging were enabled prior to the session. If they weren't, explain why retrieval may be impossible and pivot to preventative steps like enabling safe search or family supervision. Next, check account-level records and network logs. For your own account, visit the account's activity dashboard to see searches and visited URLs saved to the cloud. This reveals activity even if the session was incognito on the device. If you manage the network, inspect router or DNS logs to identify domains accessed from that device. These show destinations, but not full page content. For children or managed devices, use parental control. Finally, export any available logs and secure them. Once done, make sure to implement ongoing controls. Enable activity logging, family settings, and regular backups to avoid future gaps. If records are incomplete, take device snapshots, check system backups, or consult the network administrator. However, recognize limits. Local incognito sessions intentionally leave minimal traces. If you hit a dead end, the key troubleshooting step is verifying whether sync or logging was active during the time frame. Without it, retrieval may be impossible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.